5-minute guided meditation, embracing change. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath as you exhale. Open your mind to the concept of change, welcoming it as a natural part of life. Visualize the changing seasons, the cycle of day and night, and the ebb and flow of tides. Recognize that change is a universal constant. Think about the changes you've experienced in your own life. Acknowledge how each change has contributed to your personal growth and development. Identify any resistance you feel towards change. With each breath out, release this resistance, allowing yourself to become more adaptable and open. Imagine yourself standing at the threshold of a new beginning. Embrace the opportunities that change brings, feeling excited about the possibilities. Affirm your ability to be flexible and resilient. Repeat to yourself, I am capable of navigating change with grace and ease. Meditation concludes, take a few deep breaths, feeling centered and at peace with change. Gently open your eyes, ready to embrace whatever comes your way. Take a moment to appreciate your willingness to embrace change. Stretch if needed and move forward with confidence and a positive outlook. Thank you for taking this time to meditate on embracing change. May you navigate life's transitions with courage and optimism.